To connect your Oppo Enco Buds 2 with the iPhone, first you will need to open a case with both of the earbuds and then remove them. Now when we have both of the buds removed, we can enter a Bluetooth settings on our iPhone and then go to Bluetooth settings. As I said, in other devices you should be able to find them right here. If they don't show up, then you can enter a pairing mode by holding the touch panel right here for around 4 seconds with both of the earbuds. Then they will show up for sure, and you can connect them with your iPhone. And that is basically everything. You can also try to download an app called Hey Melody, and then your earbuds should show up right here, at least on the Android phone, because as you can see on the iPhone, there's a problem with scanning and they just don't connect with it. But maybe on yours it will work fine, so you can try it out.